पूर्वार्म्यो बन्धनात् मृत्योर्क्षमामृता।
Hello everyone, my name is Shalini and I'm a regular meditator, but I have never used any yoga mat before. And on the new year, I bought a yoga mat. I wanted some good quality yoga mat. Otherwise, I generally use cotton mats for my practice. But this time, I decided to buy a nice TPE mat, and I have ordered this. I hope you can see it. This I have ordered from Amazon, and today I'm going to open this right in front of the camera. I've cut it a little bit so that I can easily reveal the product inside. Ta-da! Okay, so this is my gift to myself on the new year. Yeah. So I hope you can see it. This is Qatalyze Be the Best You yoga mat, and it's a nice bag. I wanted a carry bag because I travel sometimes and I want to carry my yoga mat with that. I had ordered for teal and green color. Oh my god, wow. This is really beautiful, and it's a very nice packing. So they write, thank you for your business and our story. So they have written, Qatalyze is the brainchild of a group of Indian friends in London who are passionate about health and fitness. Wow. Born and brought up in India and now having experienced the European and US markets, we are aware of the gap in India for premium quality. Very true. Reliable health and fitness products based on the best and latest international trends. Qatalyze aims to bridge this gap and move beyond the buzzwords to help me active and healthy living way of life. Oh wow. So I think the price for this product that they had quoted was 3,000, and there was an offer on Amazon. The price is 2,999, and yeah. So the only problem this product has is that it is made in China, and it has been imported and marketed by people from Mumbai, and that's it. But otherwise the product is beautiful, and let us open this. How do I open this? Okay, you can very easily remove this, and the product is open. Wow, good packing, and good material. So they have written their mission, mantra, etc. that you can read when you buy it. Wow, wow. So this is the green side, and the other side is the blue side. Wow. So now I'll be actually laying it down, and I'm rolling this mat, and let us see how's the grip. Well, the grip is pretty nice, and since it is new, it is not okay, but otherwise it has rolled it very nicely. It is pretty soft, and the only reason that I wanted a yoga mat was because I was not able to do mountain pose without slipping my foot. Oh, wonderful. I think this is going to be pretty nice. Wow. Wow. And your knees do not hurt when you sit on it or when you press on them. So I think I am pretty happy with the product, and I think we can use it from both the sides because I can see the grip marks on the blue side as well. So yeah friends, I would like to give 4.5 star to this product. Oh, the half star I'm cutting is only because this was made in China. I so wish that it was made in India. Thank you Qatalyze, thank you the people behind this product. Bye bye.